back to this channel. If you're new, then welcome to this channel. Well, I'm back with one more interesting Python video, and this is really an interesting thing. I'm gonna share this for beginners because this is really interesting thing and exciting thing for beginners, because beginners gonna learn a lot from this playlist using Python. This is not just a playlist, this is actually the exercises, and these exercises are related to Python for finance and statistics. The people who are from the background of finance and statistics, if they are interested, if they want to learn Python, then we are going to give the exercises which are related to finance and statistics, and you guys are going to work on them. You are going to solve the real world problems, exercises using Python. Once we solve those exercises, we are going to build projects. I'm not the only one who gonna handle this. One of my friend, John, will also come here and help you guys to how to build projects, how to solve exercises. Okay, so I think this playlist will definitely help you guys to solve the problems and to explore yourself, and also to solve the real world problems especially, and this also builds the confidence in you. We are going to launch some more playlists which are related to mathematics, physics, chemistry. The people who are interested and from those kind of domains, then they can come here and solve everything. Okay, so this playlist, as I said before, it is actually for finance and statistics, and here we are going to work on the exercises using Python, and also we will build applications based on the exercises that we worked on. And this playlist is perfect for anyone, not just the people who are from the background of finance and statistics. It is also good for the beginners, because we are going to explain even the formulas that are related to finance and statistics. You are going to get some knowledge, basic knowledge about finance and statistics, and once you are good at it, you are going to build projects. You're just going to implement the formula that we give and also the concept that we are working on. And once you understand everything, we are going to work on the projects, and I'll let you know what are those projects. So here you have to need Python basics, and you also have to put the knowledge to work and to become more familiar with Python syntax, as well as to see some Python in action. So you are going to solve real world problems using Python, which is nothing but Python in action. So the idea is that you practice Python with real world exercises and projects, and also you will understand what are you going to do and what are you doing and how to apply Python in real world problems and how to build your own interesting cool projects. So end of this playlist, we are going to build these 3 mini projects. Okay, the first project is all about college monthly budget, and you're going to work on simple personal cash flow statement, and you're also going to work on travel budget worksheet. So you are going to work on these three interesting projects if you follow this playlist till the end. So yeah, first we'll work on the exercises and then we'll go to the projects. For example, right now I'm gonna help you out in salary calculator. That's the next exercise. So once we go there, first we'll work on the exercise first. You'll just write a basic code like how to take input and how to process it and how to get the output from the user and how we are going to show the output. That's what here it is. And once you're good at it, once you understand the logic of that salary calculator, then you are going to build an application applying this logic of salary calculator. And this salary calculator is actually a real world problem people are facing while, calculating the salaries. So for them, it will be a really good application so that they can just give their inputs and they can get, the corresponding output according to the logic that we wrote. And that logic, don't worry, it's pretty simple. You just have to sit there and understand it, and you have to build it. So yeah, in this way we are going to work on projects and exercises at the same time so that you guys can have clear understanding of the exercise and also the practical knowledge on Python as well. Just go to the next video. I'm going to post the next video. In the next video we are going to work on an exercise, and that will be part 1, and in part 2 we are going to work on a project. Okay, then if you like the video, if you like this concept, then hit that cute little like button, because that motivates us to make more interesting ways to learn Python and build your interesting applications. If you are this far and if you still didn't subscribe to this channel, then what are you waiting for? Just go there and tap the red button. So yeah, see you in the next video.